What's the difference?
It's not in the middle of the night. You hadn't been drinking.
I'm completely sober.
We're not angry.
I'm not angry.
I am.
You're a fool. You're being a fool. You're just hanging on, and it's no reason for that. Donna.
Good night, Travis.
Donna.
Good night. I'm not coming out. I'm not.
The most important decision you can make is right now.
Okay, well, I'm deciding to go to sleep.
Macy?
And this is 2:30 in the morning.
I agree.
So go.
Okay. You understand the repercussions?
It's not my decision. I'm 17 years old. Get
You're
out.
right. You are exactly right. 17 years old. Not your decision. Nobody has any ownership but
I called the sheriff's officer at 911.
ever wrong but me. Than this fucking anger and shit that's going on right now. Because I promise you I'm better at anger than you are. I really am. And I'm tired of being better at anger. I just want to have a goddamn conversation. Stop! 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 Fucking stop!
Then stop your power play, dumbass.
Stop!
Stop pushing
Go
me.
away! You're not coming back in.
Your daughter's crying.
Yeah, it is my fucking fault. I am owning it. But goddamn, I do my goddamn best to make it better. And nobody puts any fucking thought into, oh, Travis is working on getting better. No, it's Travis made these fucking mistakes. And everybody wants to hold me accountable for that because nobody wants to hold themselves accountable. What do you hold yourself accountable for? What does she hold herself accountable for? Nothing. You just flip the bird and go smoke, and then in fucking 2 hours you don't remember this.
No.
You're just doing
It's my house, too.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's not. It's Paul Cool's house. You don't even know what.
There.
Thank you.
Why'd you hit me?
She's freaked out and thinks that I'm going to jail. You tell her that you haven't called the cops.
I don't know. You hit me, though.
You're goddamn right I did. Baby, I love you. I love you more than anything in this whole world. And I know that you love me. And I know that we belong. Okay?
There you go.
Use back door.
What?
Isn't he back there?
Yeah.
That's my tape. Where's Kat?
These are my papers, guys. And this is my house. And That might be whatever you guys say, but he's not allowed within 500 feet of me.
Well, it's not.
That is clearly marked,
It's not what, Donna.
and this is my house.
It's not what we're saying, all right?
No, I'm just telling you, I don't have to leave.
Well, not you have to,
Why?
because
It's my house. Just as much as it is his.
so you're saying you're not leaving.
And I'm saying he can't be within 500 feet of me. That is clearly marked.
You're not on the lease. And the person
What lease?
the person who owns the house says that you're not allowed here.
That's not legal either. I've been here. I've got mail here. I reside here. I'm a resident.
Okay, well they said that
You know that's law.
they said they're gonna evict you out of here.
Well, then they need to do that.
And then that paperwork right there does not say that you live here.
Yeah, my address is right here. on it.
Look, Donna, why don't
Twice.
I grab some of your stuff?
You guys can grab your stuff and then you can
I'm
take care of
telling you
it
guys,
later.
I reside here, and if you forcefully make me leave, you're breaking the law.
I'm okay with that.
Okay?
So gather your stuff and let's go.
No, I'm not gonna leave.
Gather your guys' stuff and let's go. You don't live here? Who are you then? Okay.
It's clear I do. All of my stuff is here. I'm not gonna leave.
Donna, come
And
on.
if he comes within
I
500
really don't
feet,
want to
he's
arrest you,
breaking the law.
Donna. I mean, I really don't want to do that.
You know what? I was assaulted yesterday. I have pending charges for that. I had to stay the night in a shelter. How much lower can it get? If I go to jail, I go to jail. I hire a lawyer because my civil rights have been violated and I know it.
I'm fine with that.
Okay, well,
Are you fine with going to jail tonight?
yes,
Okay.
if that's what needs to be done.
All
And
right.
if you force me to go to jail because I refuse to leave my own house,
Okay. I'm good with that.
okay.
You guys have a way home?
Yep.
Okay. Gather whatever you need out of here.
Donna, come on, don't do this. We've known each other for a long time.
This is crap. This is crap.
Don't do this. Get that taken care of through the courts, all right? All it has to say is the address on that line.
You know what? I've already lost everything because I was trying to do the right thing and I called for help. Okay? So what if I go to jail? So what?
No.
If you guys want to take me to jail because I refuse to leave my house, okay. I'm okay with that.
Donna, I don't want to see you go to jail for something stupid.
I'm not going to be there long.
Just, why don't you gather some stuff, go through
I
the
know
courts.
my rights just as well as anybody else does. You know?
I understand.
I'm not going to be there long. I'm not going to resist. I'll go to jail willfully. But I'm not going to leave my house.
Why don't you take care of that Monday? So you don't have to go to jail. All this can be taken care of, Donna.
It's not fair. I did it the right way. I did it the right
I
way.
understand it doesn't seem fair. I get that, alright? And if I were in your shoes, I'd think the same thing.
Well,
But,
the difference is I don't have anything to lose.
Donna,
I don't
Okay.
have anything to lose.
the
at this
understanding
point in time.
was you were going to come get some of your stuff, and you were going to leave, and then you were going to take care of this, alright? We're not
I
finding,
can stay here,
Okay.
Leon. It's my house.
we're not finding loopholes to trick you.
That is a loophole. That is exactly what that is.
Why don't you get some stuff and then take care of this Monday?
No, I'm not doing that.
Donna, I don't see you go to jail for something like this. Ridiculous.
It is ridiculous. You're absolutely right. It's ridiculous. This is the same guy who gave me a concussion a month and a half ago, you know?
Have Steve come in here.
Yep.
What the hell's going on? I get it, Donna. I understand, right?
It's not lawful. And like I said, if we want to talk about loopholes, there's the other one. He can't be within 500 feet. So if he's anywhere on this property, because 500 feet's pretty big, then he'll be violating the ex parte order. For sure, right? There's no question about
The
that.
problem is, it doesn't say an address right there. And I'm not, look.
But
I'm
I
not-
live here. I mean, I
and
can prove that.
And I'm not debating that at all.
I live here.
But the problem is, we can't enforce that because it doesn't have that address on there. And that's not our fault. It's not your fault. That's the courts.
But you can't enforce the 500 feet rule.
Do what?
The 500 feet rule can be enforced.
Well, to an extent.
Mhm.
But that address has to be on there. And you know that it has to.
It says wherever I may reside.
Okay. The problem
I
is,
reside here. And even if the address isn't on there,
the address has to be on there.
the 500 feet rule,
I don't have cell service.
that goes
If you don't
regardless.
know Captain Stevens, advise him that she's now refusing to leave the residence.
The problem is, Donna, it's not on there for us to enforce. And I get the 500. If that was on there, we would kick him out and you could stay. But the problem is, that's not on there. And that's after talking to Sherry, and that's after talking to John.
Well, I think there's a conflict of interest going on all over the place. I mean, you guys wouldn't handle it because it's conflict. I've known Diana, and we both have, and we've worked with her forever, so is that a conflict too? Yeah, I guess it is.
Is there any
Sherry
way to
Hamner,
call-
we've been friends with her forever. Is she a conflict?
Is there any way to call the Queen? Like, do they have people on call?
No. So you're not going to get some stuff and leave it.
No. What's he gonna do in my law enforcement career? I don't have one. Get me fired from my job? I don't have one of those either.
It's just making the situation difficult.
I understand it's difficult for you, but I'm telling you, it's also difficult for me too. You know.
I mean, I was under the impression that I was coming out and doing some other stuff, and then that was the end of it. Now it's turned into this. Until you've got two deputies.
And he wouldn't even do that.
Huh?
He wouldn't even do that. When you were trying to let me get something, he wouldn't even do that.
What I'm saying is,
He wouldn't even let me get my stuff.
it's turned into now having
The
her here
whole fiasco
and
is
having
ridiculous.
two officers in here out here till how long?
It's ridiculous.
Yeah, it is.
I know. I know. It should have been a lot easier than this.
Hey, so you have any charges in here?
Electric's even in my name, guys. You know?
We're not debating that fact at all.
Oh, it's in my house. Box.
I have a computer. Or maybe I'm not. I'll check the this box over here.
But like I said, we can't arrest him or anything like that until it's marked on there.
I'm gonna smart. Before this goes down. Blow it out the window. Do you want like something that oh, I'll just put it in the sink and blow it out the window. Okay.
So, I'm gonna ask you, I'm not trying to be a smart ass, but was that your plan? To say I need some stuff and then say I'm not leaving the house?
I didn't have a plan, but it's becoming more and more apparent that, I mean, if my stuff remains here, that it's gonna get who knows what. I mean, this is about control, and I did things the right way, and I was trying to do everything the right way, but it's not paying off for me to do it the right way. It's just not. This is my house just as much as it is his.
Are you gonna get your stuff?
No.
Okay.
Macy, did you get some things?
Yeah, I gotta finish. I need to go downstairs and put some food in the cat bowl.
Okay.
So you're not gonna get your stuff?
I'm gonna stay here.
No.
Okay.
You're taking advantage of me trying to allow you your stuff. I've explained to you the issue.
Well, now, Steve, this is my house.
No.
And there is the electric's
No.
in my name, Steve. Are you telling me it's not my house?
Donna, you're pushing me into a corner.
It is my house.
You're not
I
staying
reside
here.
here.
You're not staying here. I've been told by my captain, if you have an issue, you might want to take it up with him.
It sounds like you're already doing that.
So, either you need to get your stuff, or you need to go ahead and go.
I'm not leaving.
Yes.
I mean, if I leave in handcuffs, then I will.
Okay.
If you want to arrest me and force me out of my house,
Okay. If that's what you want to do.
You really want that?
no. Of course I don't want that, but really I have nothing to lose. So, I mean,
Yeah, you've got a whole lot to lose.
if that's what happens, it happens.
I really don't want to do this. I'm giving you an option where you can get this straightened out with the judge.
The judge clearly marked 500 feet.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't entail you pushing the 500 feet.
This is my house.
Donna, I'm really trying to give you an opportunity to get this cleared up the right way.
I have been doing things the right way.
No, you haven't, because I've told you what you need to do, and you're not wanting to do it.
We have an RP from Freedom Ridge Road called in. Stated they were a mile north of State Road E at work.
Just get your stuff tonight, Donna, and get it settled up with the courts Monday.
Single shot. The car drives around, things like an just patrol through the area.
Because we can't have this. Let's do this right.
I'm not breaking the law. And I know I'm not breaking the law.
Well, I don't know that you are correct in that. Because what's going to happen is he's going to want to file charges for the other night.
That's his prerogative.
And that's what you'll be arrested for.
Okay.
I don't think you really want this.
If that's what you want to do, that's fine.
That's not what I want to do. What I want to do is to have you cooperate so that we can get this done right and get it determined by the judge and go and do what he says.
The judge most certainly did not kick me out of my house.
Well, I can't have you standing here if the two of you have been fighting.
Okay. that clearly says he can't be within 500 feet of me. There's no
But
question
you're
about that
not-
box.
Yeah, but you can't push the 500 feet.
I'm not. I'm
Yes,
staying
you
at
are.
my house.
No. You guys got everything done you need done?
I don't know. Macy's packing things.
Okay.
Donna, you don't want to push that. I'm telling you, you don't want to. Unless someone's going to follow you around for the rest of your life.
I know what's going to happen then. I can't go into law enforcement. It doesn't matter.
Whether it's law enforcement or not, you get a criminal charge. You know
It's not going to stick.
You know that.
Because it's a thrown at me criminal charge that's bogus. So it's not going to stick. I'm not concerned with that. I'm not.
You're not concerned about going to jail.
No. I'll be out pretty quick. If I have to sit there 24 hours, then I have to sit there for 24 hours.
You really want to sit
What
in
do you
jail?
think a shelter's like? Homie?
It's not jail, though.
Either way.
The Diane leave?
No, she's out trying to get phone service.
I just wish you'd get some stuff tonight. Take this up to the courts Monday night.
Because right now there's a real good chance this is going to get dropped.
What's going to get dropped?
Your ex parte.
Why?
Because when I go to the judge and tell them what's going on, there's a real good chance he's going to drop it.
Okay. And what's going on, Steve? I think I have the right to stay in my house.
If you do it right.
I did.
No. There's
Okay. I'm not going to argue with you. I told you I'm staying.
no.
And if you want me to leave and you want to arrest me, I'm not going to resist arrest. I'm not going to fight you.
Go ahead.
247, he called back. He wanted to contact 2416.
No, that's fine. Because I would really much rather go to the judge and say, there was an issue, she was cooperative, get it resolved.
I guess you'll be telling them that I was uncooperative or whatever you'd like to tell them.
I'm going to tell them what
What
the
happened?
truth is.
That's fine.
The problem is, according to that, Donna, you don't live here. And
No,
I
that's not true.
We're not going to argue that. That has to be resolved in front of the judge. So.
you want to see what she's got.
No. I'm thinking that if she doesn't want to go, then go ahead and transport her up there. We'll get hold of her.